Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making essentially a gin margarita with mint and a little bit of orange bitters. Today we're making the gin Eyre. To start this cocktail, we are going to do 2 dashes of orange bitters, but again, Japanese style, so I'm going to do 4. And then we're going to take 3 mint leaves, give them a smack, throw them right in. Then we are going to use 1 full ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Half an ounce of, again, if you're fancy like me, you're going to have glittery simple syrup.
Or if the store was closed.
Or if the store was closed and we couldn't get, and I'm too freaking lazy to make my own simple syrup right now, that's where we'd be at. Then half an ounce of Cointreau. Then lastly, 2 ounces of our favorite brand of gin. Now that all of our ingredients are in, we're going to shake or add ice first. Let's start there. Holy cow. Just shake the shaker tin. It's fine.
Give it a little jostle.
You know, it's fine. Add your ice. Shake for about 10 to 15 seconds or until it's ice cold in your hands. All right, I'm going to grab my Nick and Nora glass because they're beautiful. I'm quite taken with these.
We can tell.
We are going to double strain. You may get a few little bits of the mint coming through that may go through the mesh strainer, and that is totally fine. Don't panic. And then we're going to get a decent looking leaf here. So we're going to get a mint leaf. Same thing, just like we did into the shaker tin. We're going to just give it a smack in our hand and then gently layer on the top. And there we have the gin Eyre. Like always, whoa. Well, I don't know what just happened there.
Reminds me of that Family Guy episode. Hey, you guys want to play
baseball? It was baseball, not basketball. Get it together. Anyway, it was baseball. I know my Family Guy. Thank you. I'm going to taste the cocktail. I'm going to give you my honest opinion, and we're going to rate. So 1 is I would have 1 cocktail, move on to the next. 5, I would drink it all night, hate myself in the morning. So let's see where we are on Juliana's scale today. Obviously, right out of the whoa.
What?
I don't know what I was about to say right out of the ball.
Oh,
no, right out of the gate is what I was going for, and ball tried to come out. So right out of the gate.
Right out of the gall.
Right out of the gall. I smell a lot of mint, but that's to be expected with the mint leaf right on top. That is extremely refreshing. It is, as I mentioned in the beginning, it's essentially a gin margarita, right? But we added the orange bitters, we added the mint. So those are kind of the big changing factors here. I love this cocktail. This is so good. It's very light. It's very airy. You get the mint. You get it it's almost like a South Side cocktail, but just a little bit more tart. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is like, if I could do a 10 out of 10, this would be a 10 out of 10. It is a 5 out of 5 for me. This is so good. It's so light. It's so airy. It's something you can drink without getting smacked in the face with the alcohol. I don't taste the gin at all. Granted, again, remember, I prefer a new world style gin, so mine is not super junipery. So depending on the gin that you use, you're going to get some different flavors here, but this is absolutely amazing. I highly recommend this cocktail. 5 out of 5 for me. Again, the ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build a cocktail at home. Again, if you try a different gin, let me know what your thoughts are. Maybe a London dry gin doesn't work that well with this cocktail. Maybe it's great. I have no idea. Mine is definitely a New World style gin because that's just what I like. Of course, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments, and I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers.